Let's solve exemplar problems of chapter number 2, units and measurements. Question number 2.1. The number of significant figures in given digit is. As we have studied the rules of significant figures, the 0 before decimal point and after decimal points are not countable when non-zero digits are not given before the zeros, and the zeros after decimals are countable as if the non-zero digits are given before it. So here the total number of significant figures are 4. 6900. This is the answer. Now 2.2, the sum of the numbers in appropriate significant figures is. So let add the numbers 436.32, 227.2, 0.301. Here it is equal to 663.821. Now we will round it off up to the least decimal place given in the question. So here the least decimal place is the middle one, that is 0.2. So we'll round it off up to one decimal place, that is 663.8. Now again we will not round it off up to that 664, because here as per the rules we have to round it off up to one decimal place. So this is the answer of the problem. Now 2.3. In this question it is asked that if mass is given and volume is given, find density in correct significant figures. So density is given by mass by volume. Units are gram per centimeter cube. When we will solve it, we find that it is equal to 169.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, or we can write 1.694. Now again round it off up to the least decimal place, that is one decimal place. So 9 is given here, so it will increase by 1, that is 1.7 gram per centimeter cube. This is the answer. Next question is question number 2.4. Round off the numbers up to 3 significant figures. First number is 2.745. We have to round it off up to 3 significant figures. So here the last digit is, fourth digit is 5. So as per the rules of rounding off, if digit is 5 and the preceding number is even, then it will remain unchanged. So it is 2.74. Next number is 2.735. If the last digit is 5 and the preceding digit is odd number, then it will increase by 1. So 2.74. Next question 2.5. In the question, length of a rectangular sheet is 16.2 centimeter and breadth of a sheet is 10.1. Find the area of the sheet in appropriate significant figures and its error. So the area in true value is given as 16.2 into 16.2 centimeter into 10.1 centimeter. That is equal to 163.6 centimeter square. We will round it off up to 3 significant digits. So answer is 164 centimeter square. Now in order to calculate area, the formula is, in order to calculate error, the formula is absolute error in an individual quantity by the true value here. Absolute error in length is up to 1 decimal place. So delta L is 0.1 centimeter, and similarly delta B is 0.1. That is up to 1 decimal the error is there. So delta A is given as delta L by L, that is 16.2, plus 0.1 by 10.1 into area, that is 164 centimeter square. Here 0.1 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So the units will cancel out. Here also 0.1 centimeter upon 10.1 centimeter. So when we will take in LCM, its product is equal to 164. And on further solving it, it is equal to 1.01 plus 1.62. This value will cancel out and delta A is equal to 2.63. The error is given up to one significant figure, so we will round it off up to one significant figure. So 2.63 can be written as plus minus 3. So the total answer is equal to area plus error, that is 164 plus minus 3 centimeter square. Problem number 2.6. In this question we have to find that which of the following pairs of physical quantities does not have same dimensional formulae. That is, we have to find whether work and torque have same dimensions or not. Similarly, following pairs are given. So let's find. First is work. Work is given as force into displacement, and force is given by m1 L1 T minus 2. If this is not learned to you, then you can just simply write the formula of force, that is m into A, or can find the dimensions. Force is m1 L1 T minus 2 and distance is L. So the final formula of work is m1 L2 T minus 2. Torque is a force and it is given by R cross F. It is a force which acts to rotate the body in circle. That is, R is a distance and F is m1 L1 T minus 2. It is equal to m1 L2 T minus 2. Thus we can see that work and torque have same dimensions. Thus we can write that work and torque is denoted by tau has same dimension. That is m1 L2 T minus 2. Second one is angular momentum and Planck's constant. Angular momentum is given by capital L and its formula is mvr. Mass, v is velocity, its formula is meter per second, that is Lt minus 1, and distance, that is L. Its formula is dimensional formula m L2 T minus 1. Next is Planck's constant. Planck's constant is given by E is equals to h nu, so h is E by nu, where nu is a frequency. Nu is the reciprocal of a time period. Thus, the dimensions of energy is m1 L2 T minus 2, same as work, and the dimension of nu is 1 by T. Thus the final dimension is m1 L2 T minus 1. We can see that angular momentum is similar to Planck's constant. And it is equal to m1 L2 T minus 1. Next is tension and surface tension. Tension is a force which acts in the opposite direction of linear force, and it has a dimension equal to force, that is m1 L1 T minus 2. Surface tension, it acts in liquids. We will study it in our further chapters. And it is given as force per unit length, that is m1 L1 T minus 2 by length. So the formula of surface tension is m1 T minus 2. Tension is not equal to surface tension. Next one is impulse and linear momentum. Impulse is denoted as J, and it is equal to F into T. m1 L1 T minus 2 into T, that is m1 L1 T minus 1. Linear momentum is denoted by small p equal to mass, product of mass and velocity. Mass LT minus 1. So we can see that impulse and linear momentum has same dimension. Question number 2.7. In the question, true value and error is given of A, and true value and error of B is given. So we have to find the value of AB. Value of AB in terms of its true value is given as 2.5 meter per second into the true value of B, that is 0.10 second. So it is equal to 0.25 meter. Now the value of error in AB is given as delta AB by A equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. Here delta A is given in the question, that is 0.5, and delta B is 0.01. Therefore, delta AB is equal to 0.5 by 2.5 plus here 0.5 meter per second. And 2.5 is in meter per second. So now this term is unitless, and here it is 0.5, 0.01 by 0.10. Here it is also unitless. Into area, that is 0.25 meter. On further solving it, we get delta AB equal to 2.5 into 0.10 is 0.25, and 0.25 is cancelled out by 0.25, that is 0.25 into 0.25 meter, and here this value is equal to 0.05 plus 0.025. And it is equal to 0.075 meter. Thus, the answer is, here first of all error is in 3 places, but 0 will not be countable, and we have to calculate the error up to 1 significant digit. That is, we will round it off up to 1 significant digit, which is 0.08 meter. Therefore, the final answer is given as AB plus minus delta AB equal to 0.25 plus minus 0.08 meter. 2.8. Here in this question, true value and error of A and true value and error of B is given, and we have to find root of AB. So the true value of root AB is given as 1 into 2 meter, that is equal to root 2, and it is equal to 1.414 meter square, that is after root it is meter. So round it off up to 2 significant digits, that is 1.4 meter is the answer of true value. Now calculate error in them. It is equal to delta of AB by A equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. Here delta A is 0.2 and delta B is 0.2. Therefore, delta AB is equal to, and we are calculating root of AB. So we will write delta A upon A plus delta B by B here in this way. This we need to calculate. So the change is given as half of delta A by A plus, in terms of error we will write delta B by B whole bracket. According to the rule, now solve it. it is equal to half of delta AB is half of 0.2 by 1 plus 0.2 by 2 into the value of A is 1.4. Half into it is 2 and here it will be 0.4 plus 0.2 into 1.4. So its value is 0.6 by 4 into 1.4. On dividing its value, it is equal to 0.15 into 1.4 equal to 0.210 is the error. Now round it off up to one significant digit, that is plus minus 0.2. So the final answer is A plus minus delta A, AB plus minus delta AB is equal to 1.4 plus minus 0.2, and the unit is here meter.